Hi, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at one of the latest Nike Kobe PROTRO models. These are specifically the PROTRO 4 Philly, a stunning tribute to Kobe Bryant's birthplace and the historical city of Philadelphia. Cloaked in the patriotic varsity royal, white, and university red, this sneaker encapsulates the spirit of Philly with a design that's as bold and fearless as the city's own story. Engineered with cutting-edge sneaker technology, the Kobe 4 PROTRO Philly boasts a Zoom Air unit in the heel for responsive cushioning, a fly-wire-laced upper for a lockdown fit, and a Phylon midsole for lightweight support, all underlined by the star-spangled collar lining that pays homage to the city of brotherly love. This sneaker is a style statement, a marvel of design that nods to the past while propelling you forward with unrivaled comfort and durability. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.